In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Discord account. It's going to be a 2025 beginner's guide. Now, ensure you download Discord if you are using an iPhone or an Android, right? Open up the app, click on this register. Once you have opened this, you're going to enter your number, right? You're going to choose your country. From here, enter your number, right? Enter your phone number. Once you are done, you can enter your email if you want, right? Once you're done, just click on this next, right? You're going to enter your display name, right? After your display name, click on this skip, right? It's going to skip it. Now you're going to enter your username right here. You can enter your username, right? Then you're going to enter your password. Once you are done, just click on this done. Everything is going to go through, right? Click on this date of birth. Select your date of birth. Once you are done, you're going to just click on this confirm. You're going to click on the create account, right? So from here, you're going to create a Discord account, right? This is how you can do this. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you all in the next video.